Every part that ships has to be proven, and the pressure to manufacture and get to market faster is raising the bar for more data, tighter tolerances, and speed across the entire operation.
But scaling the technology, people, and capacity fast enough to keep up isn't something most teams can do overnight.
And the parts aren't waiting. That's exactly why ZEISS Quality Excellence Center exists.
A ZEISS Quality Excellence Center is a collaborative space built to provide a place with the right tools, the right methods, and the right people in the same room at the same time.
Here, we have industry experts and applications engineers to help you solve your challenges and brainstorm new techniques for new applications. We also have metrology services when your team needs capacity or capability you just don't have in-house. From different dimensional inspections, surface form, to internal geometries you can't see.
Every critical dimension, we've got you covered.
One integrated ZEISS ecosystem, every metrology discipline under one roof. Here you walk in, meet a new team of experts, and work through the best solution for your needs with the latest technologies and software. So what does it actually look like to bring your project to us? Your part, your print, your process, and we work it together. We work through your workflows together, digging into the data, challenging assumptions, and making sure the results hold up in the real world. Traceable, repeatable, audit-ready. That's the standard, not the exception. It's the kind of clarity that shortens meetings, settles debates, and keeps the lines moving.
And with quality excellence centers across the USA, the team and solutions are closer than you think. But capability like this doesn't happen by accident. It takes commitment and investment.
The manufacturers we work with are under constant pressure to see further into their processes, understand more, and move faster with confidence. That pressure sits at the heart of quality today. At ZEISS, we've listened to our customers and have been intentionally transforming to meet those challenges head-on. We now have over 700 people with our US Industrial Quality Solutions team, a 15% increase. We've grown our field service technicians by 30%. We're opening up new quality excellence centers, modernizing our digital infrastructure, and expanding our metrology technologies and services. These aren't just plans. It's happening right now. Everything we're building is aimed at one thing, making ZEISS the place where manufacturers come to solve their quality problems with speed. And we're already delivering on that promise. For manufacturers who sees where this is heading, quality is progressing from a cost center into a strategic competitive advantage.
You don't have to solve these challenges alone. This is where ZEISS helps you move forward with decisive confidence. When your customer asks how you validated the result, you won't hesitate. When leadership asks you if the team can handle what's coming next, you already know the answer.
From the latest technologies and software to expert teams and inspection services, we're here to help you move forward with confidence. ZEISS Quality Excellence Centers, where quality gets solved.